From the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same consonant sounds as the one represented by the letters underlined. All right, lamb. Lamb. In this word, the letter B is silent. That is, it is not pronounced. So in the word lamb, the last sound is M. B is not pronounced. And therefore, the word is pronounced as lamb. Lamb. So which of the options contains M? A, lobby. B, land. C, baby. And D, dam. The answer is D. Option D is the answer. Okay, 17. 17. King. 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 Option A, dig. Option B, sin. Option C, tag. And option D, lung. So lung is the answer. Yeah? Question 18. Question 18. Censure. Okay, sorry. The given word is cut. Caught. Sorry. Caught. And the underlined sound is k, the k sound. Caught. All right. Let's go through the options. A, censure. Censure. B, quickly. Quickly. C, certain. Certain. D, gratis. Gratis. A, censure. B, quickly. C, certain. And D, gratis. So which of the options contains quick? Obviously, that is option B, quickly. Quickly. Question 19. Robert. Robert. The sound represented by the underlined letter is B. B. Robert. So which of the options has B in it? Option A, sapper. Clearly, that is not the answer. Plumber. Plumber cannot be the answer because the letter B is not pronounced in plumbing. Plumbing. B is silent there. Okay. C, carpet. And D, thimble. Thimble. So it is in thimble that letter B is pronounced as B. And so that makes it the answer. Question 20. Question 20. Fashion. 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 The sound underlined is F. So which of the options has F in it? Option A, passion. Option B, save. Option C, ivy. And option D, trough. Trough. So which of the options has F in it? Clearly it is option D. Trough. Trough. Okay, question 21. Question 21. Truth. Truth. The sound underlined is the voiceless dental fricative sound. The voiceless dental fricative sound pronounced as. So which of the options has the sound A, tick, B, trend, C, thrill, and D, though? Thrill is the answer. That is option C. Option C is the answer. Question 22. Right? Soda. Soda. The sound underlined is S. S. Okay, option A, shore. Option B, society. Option C, brush. And option D, bees. Bees. Option D cannot be the answer in spite of the fact that letter S is there. And the reason is that when a word ends with a voiced sound before letter S is added to it, that letter S will be pronounced as Z and not S. And you know that the last sound in B is the long E. Is a vowel sound. And all vowel sounds, all vowel sounds are voiced sounds. And therefore, The S in bees is not S, but Z. Therefore, it is not the answer. The only one that has S in it is society. Option B. Option B. All right, 23. 23. Touch. 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 The sound ch is what is represented by those letters underlined. Ch. Option A, path. Option B, technical. Option C, sheen. Option D, challenge. Ch, challenge. Touch, challenge. A, path. B, technical. C, sheen. And D, challenge. So clearly, challenge is the answer because it contains ch, which touch also contains. Okay, we move on to question 24. Shining. The sound sh is underlined. Sh, shining. Okay, which of the options has sh in it? Option A, chauffeur. A, chauffeur. B, chilly. C, bristle. And D, sighting. So from how I've pronounced the options, which of them has sh now? You know clearly now it is option A, chauffeur. Chauffeur has sh, which is also contained in shining. Okay, question 25. Question 25. Badge. The sound j is underlined in that word. J. Badge. J. Okay, let's run through the options. Option A, vision. Option B, tangible. Option C, target. Option D, brag. So which of them has j? Clearly it is option B, tangible. Badge, tangible. So option B will be our answer here. 26. Question 26. Apron. Apron. There are two sounds represented in this word here. There are two sounds underlined in this word. The first one is po and the second one is r. And so you must look for the option that contains the two sounds, not the one that contains one of the two sounds. So let's go through the options. A, unkempt. B, plunder. C, print. And D, button. Option C is clearly the answer because it contains po and r. Print. Option C. Question 27. 27. Diesel. Diesel. The sound represented by that letter S is Z. Diesel. Diesel. So which of the options has Z? Right, let's pronounce them. Option A, boys. Boys. Listen very well. Boys. B, dicey. C, salty. And D, decor. Decor. Decor, sorry. Decor. Now, look at option A. Boys. 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 Why is the letter S there pronounced as Z? The reason is because originally boy ends with a voiced sound. And the voiced sound is oi. You know, oi is a vowel sound, and all vowel sounds are voiced sounds. And if a word ends with a voiced sound before S is added to it, the S that is eventually added to it will be pronounced as Z, and that is why option A is our answer. It contains Z. So boys is the answer. Okay, question 28. 28. Dream. 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 Right? The sound R is underlined in that word. So which of the options has R? Alright, gird. Option A. B, term. Option C, guard. Option D, thrill. Thrill. Obviously, option D is the answer because it contains in it R is pronounced. But in others, even where letter R is present. It is not pronounced. The letter R that is represented in orders A, B, and C is not pronounced. It is only in option D that it is pronounced. Thrill. Okay, 29. Question 29. Lolly, lolly, lolly. The sound underlined is L. Option A, balm. Option B, carry. Option C, calcium. Option D, Sam. Listen to me again. Balm. Option B, carry. Option C, calcium. Option D, Sam. You can see in balm and Sam, the letter L is written, is spelled, but it is not pronounced. It is only in calcium that it is pronounced, and therefore option C is our answer. Okay, question 30. Question 30. Water, water. What is the sound underlined here? Wo, wo, wo. So which of the options contains wo? Or in which of the options is wo pronounced? A, pewter, pewter. Wo is not pronounced there. B, wrong. Wo is not pronounced in wrong because the first sound in that word is r. Okay? 12, 12, 12. Clearly, option C is the answer because it is in it that wo is pronounced. 12. It is not pronounced in brew. So option C will be our answer. Question 31.